guys, it's Gretchen and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I don't honestly know what to call it. I don't want to call it a tutorial because I suck at doing makeup. But I was thinking the other day about how, like my personal life. And I don't put a lot of my personal life out there. I talk mostly about piercings and tattoos with a little bit of Stitch Fix fashion and the occasional haul and stuff like that. But you know, when you watch people's YouTube channels, they'll talk about their husbands, their wives, their boyfriends, their girlfriends, and I'm sitting here going like, hi, I have a few pets. So today's video is a makeup look, but it's a date night makeup look because I have started to try and date again, kinda, because who wouldn't want to date this? I think I've mentioned like maybe once or twice before that I was in a very long-term relationship. It was roughly 8 years long. We ended up parting ways and it's been 3 years since then and I haven't really gotten back out there. And really and truly the reason why I haven't gotten back out there is because of my anxiety really comes out, especially if I'm meeting someone new or going someplace that I'm not particularly knowledgeable of, if that makes any kind of sense. So a lot of times I'll talk to someone and then I'll just be like, I'm not feeling comfortable. And it's really not that I don't feel comfortable, it's just my anxiety gets the best of me and I guess it's uncomfortable. I don't know how to put it. But anyway, so the whole point of this video is not to talk about my anxiety or my dating woes, but it's to show you an eye look that I plan on wearing to a date night, probably tonight. So, it's supposed to be a rose gold look, but with hooded eyelids, it's kind of hard to tell. So if you're interested, for whatever reason, I don't know why you would be, but in case you are, keep watching. All right, so I've already done my face, like the foundation, concealer. I've got my setting powder on right now. So we're just gonna go on ahead into the eyes. Now for today's date night look, whatever you wanna call it, I am going to do like a rose gold color. This is the dress I plan on wearing and it's got a little bit of like a rosy hint to it, if my cat would be quiet. So we're gonna do a rose gold, me gonna do a rose gold color. So I'm gonna be working with two different palettes here. The first one I'm gonna be working with is Modern Renaissance. I was gonna say Modern Romance. Modern Renaissance by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And then also this Winky Lux kitten palette. It came in a BoxyCharm back when I was subscribed to that. We're just gonna do a rose gold look. So the first thing I'm gonna do is put down a base eyeshadow. I'm gonna go into Modern Renaissance and get Tempera? Something like that, Tempera. And just gonna put that all over my eyelids. Alright, so next thing I'm going to do is go into my crease with a rosy-ish color. I hope this turns out right. If it doesn't turn out right, this is just an everyday look for me because that's pretty much how my eye makeup looks. But anyway, so we're going to go in with a rosy colored look. Now, both these palettes have a pretty good rosy-esque feel to it, but I'm going to go into the kitten palette. I'm actually going to mix. I'm gonna go into the kitten palette and get this color and I'm gonna mix it with, which one do I wanna mix it with? I think I'm just gonna mix it with the Blonde Fresco. Oh, yeah, I can't pronounce things. So that color, if you have that palette, please don't anyone come for me for not being able to pronounce. Doesn't really look like it did much, but whatever. I'm gonna blend it out a little bit more with a fluffier brush. Alright, so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into the outer corners and do like a darker rosy gold color. And by rosy gold, I mean it's kind of like a rosy brown, but whatever. So, what colors am I gonna mix? I'm gonna mix in the kitten palette this pretty number down here with Antique Bronze. See, why couldn't the rest of the names be that easy to pronounce? Why did they have to go and be like Blonde Fresco? I'm just kidding, don't anyone come for me. So we're just gonna take a little bit of that on the brush and then we're gonna go in and get a little bit of that on the brush and then we're just gonna put it in the outer corner and hope it looks good. Beautiful. Now we're gonna blend it out a little bit. Now it's time to put something on the actual eyelids. That one is going to be a lighter color. All right, so we're going to pull out another palette. This one also came from BoxyCharm. Pretty sure this ended up in a BoxyCharm, but it is this ColourPop Semi-Precious. A lot of these colors are like really bright and shimmery. So I am going to go in and I'm going to take this color and just put it dead center of my eyelids. These have, what do they? Yes, they do. That one's called Bashful. And we're just going to plop it on the middle of my eyelids. That's a lot. That's a little startling actually. So we're gonna blend. So now we're gonna do like under eye, do like a waterline color, even though for some reason it never like turns out on me. So we'll see if it actually looks all right. But I use this teeny tiny little brush and I'm gonna do a little bit of, I'm gonna do kind of like the same thing that I did with my outer corner. I'm gonna do that color and then the antique bronze from the Anastasia palette. So we'll see how that turns out. Probably like crap. Now I just look like I haven't slept in days. But I am going to blend, or well, I guess blend it out. I don't know. I'm not a beauty guru. Alright, so there's that, whatever you want to call it. So I am going to go ahead and do my eyeliner and my mascara and probably the rest of my face off camera, but then I'll come back for my lips, so be right back. Alright, so we're back. Full face is done now, but now it's time to do some lips. And I think for this look, I am going to do one that I am like absolutely loving recently. And that is the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit, the Mega Last. And this is in Rebel Rose. I have been loving this color recently. And so I think this is gonna be the one that I use. So, well, hopefully it looks all right. And there is that look. Let me go fix my hair because it's looking like a wet rag right now. So just hold on 1 second. All right, so now my hair is done, and yeah, so that is my rose gold date night look. Honestly, with hooded eyelids, all my makeup eye looks look the same. All right, I see you back in my office. All right, so this is the complete look, the same thing at the beginning of this video. Again, not really a tutorial because I'm not a makeup person. I just like makeup, but I don't consider myself good at it. But if you enjoyed this video for whatever weird reason, please consider giving it a big old thumbs up. Go on down there, hit that subscribe button wherever it may be, because I would really appreciate it. Also, go ahead and hit that notification bell, just in case YouTube decides to let you know when I upload a video. But until next time, bye guys!